again. This time I'm not outside. I'm still at home, just like you, but I'm not outside because it's really windy at my house and all of our little circle time things would blow away. So the first thing that we're going to do is review this word. You have the little sheet that's this big that has the 4 icons on it. One of those words is want. Actually, you don't need that now because you have this. You have it. So want is on here. There it is. We've done stop, go, more, and now we're working on want again. We've done want before, but we're just going to review because we haven't been at school in a while. So want. I'm going to read this book, and when you hear the word want, I either want you to say it with your voice, or you can sign it. The sign for want is this. So you can sign it if you want to, or you can point to it in your voice, which is right here. Every time. So the title of the book is When I Want. There it is. So there's the title of the book. This one doesn't have an author, but this is the title, When I Want. Turn the page. When I'm hungry, I want to eat. When I'm hungry, I want to eat. Turn the page. When I'm cold, I want some heat. When I'm cold, I want some heat. There it is. Turn the page. When I'm excited, I want to leap. I want to leap. Right here. Turn the page. When I'm tired, I want to sleep. Want sleeping. Look, the moon is out. It's nighttime. Turn the page. When I'm thirsty, I want a drink. Want. He's pouring orange juice. It looks like he's making a really big mess. Look at that. He's overflowing his cup. When I'm thirsty, I want to drink. I want a drink. When I'm confused, I want to think. I want to think. See? You don't want to be confused. When I'm mad, I want to pout. Want. Look, he's pouting. It's no fun to pout. But when you're mad, you might want to pout. When I'm curious, I want to find out. Want. When I'm scared, I want my mom. Or maybe you want your dad. Or maybe you want your grandma or grandpa. When I'm scared, I want somebody that will make me feel safe. Turn the page. She hugs me, and now I'm calm. That was nice. And then there's the end. So the word was want. Want. And it's right here in your voice. So keep practicing that. It's really, really important that you keep practicing that. Okay, we're going to move on to the months of the year. So you need to have your voice open to the strip that has the months, January through December. I'll give you a second to get there. But it shows all the months of the year. And we are still in this month. Point to this month on your voice. I'll give you a minute to look. The The name of the month is March. M-A-R-C-H. Did you find it? I'm going to point to it in my voice. So March is right here. Right there. March. It has a picture of a leprechaun. There's a picture of a leprechaun on there. And we are going to count and see what date it is. So we need to get to the tab that has the numbers 1 to 31. Looks like that. It's just a couple of pages back. I'm going to put this down, but I want you to point as I point up here and count. So use your finger to point on your voice or talk with your mouth. And get my knee out of the way. And here we go. We're going to count starting with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25. So your finger should have ended up here on 25. Now you need to go to the strip that has the days of the week, which is right before the months of the year. So there's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Give you a second to get there. The days of the week. And we put the date on right here, and what we're going to do is go up, 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 and we're going to find out what day of the week it is today. So we started here, we're going to go up, 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 up. What day of the week is it today? Whoa, whoa. It's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. So we're going to use this and put on today is Wednesday. Okay, if today is Wednesday, what was yesterday? Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was, point on your voice. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tuesday. So I'm going to put that up here. Yesterday was Tuesday. And if yesterday was Tuesday and today is Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. There it is on your voice. Thursday. Oh, I'm going to put that up here too. Tomorrow will be Thursday. So today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. This is kind of fun, right in front of my refrigerator. It's magnetic and it holds all my stuff. Okay, I think we'll talk about the weather now. So in your voice, there is a strip that has weather. It looks like this. It's right near the, well, it's in there. It's near some of the counting. So this is the weather. So I'm going to get up and go to a window and look outside and see what the weather is at my house. And I want you to go to a window and look at your house. So I'm going to stand up and move away. I'm going to go look out the window, and then when I come back, we're going to talk about the weather. Okay, be right back. Okay, I'm back. I hope you're back too. So when you looked outside, what did you see out there? I'll tell you what I saw at my house. I saw sunny and cloudy. I saw sunny and cloudy and breezy. That's what I saw at my house. Sunny and cloudy and breezy. So whatever you saw at your house, you point. I won't be able to see you pointing, but your family will be able to see you pointing. So I decided that it was at my house. It's sunny and cloudy and breezy. Sunny and cloudy and breezy. The other thing I want you to think about is flip that strip, and there's some cold, cool, hot, and warm. What does it feel like outside to you? Where I live, because it's breezy, it feels cold. I have on long sleeves today, so I'm going to choose cold. And I don't have enough Velcro. So I'm going to put this on sideways and put this on here. And then over here are the seasons. And if you remember, the season just changed. It changed from winter and it changed to something else. It's the season where all the flowers bloom and grass starts growing, and it's really, really pretty. Everything's green. So the season is spring. This says spring. And spring is right here on your voice. So let's look at this. The season is spring. So let's all point to spring. And the weather is, we're going to have to flip back a page. The weather is sunny, cloudy, breezy, and then flip back over here, and cold. And the weather at your house might not be exactly like that, but it might be. Depends where you live. So that's our weather. Okay. I'm going to move the calendar, and we usually take attendance, but because I can't see you, I don't know when you're watching, so we can't do it the way we usually do it for attendance. So I'm just going to choose a number. I'm going to choose the number. Before I choose a number, I want to know if you can tell me what this is. It's kind of hard to see because my refrigerator is black and this thing is black. I'll take it off. Maybe it's easier to see in your voice. Can you tell me what that is? It could be on this page. This thing. It's called a 10 frame. This is a 10 frame. Here's a big chance for you to show off to your family how smart you are. This will be really fun. Okay, so usually we do the dots based on attendance. We put however many people are at school with red dots, and then how many more we need to get to 10 with yellow dots, or the other way around. But I don't know who's watching when, so I'm just going to choose a number. And I think today I'm going to choose 6. So I'm just going to choose 6. So what's going to happen is I'm going to put up 6 red dots. So here I go. Count with me. I want you to start at 1 and count all the way to 6. Okay, here we go. Start at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you You should have counted 1 to 6. There's 6 red dots here in our 10 frame. So what I want to know from you, and we ask this question every day, how many more do we need to get to 10? How many more do we need to get to 10? How many more dots? How many more spaces until we get to 10? Okay, I want you to think about that. Now there's no guessing, just look. We have 6. How many more do we need to get to 10? Think about that for a minute, and I'm going to put these up, and then we're going to count them together. And you'll see if you have the correct answer. Okay. So we started with 6 red dots, and I asked how many more do we need to get to 10? Let's count them. So you count, starting with 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We needed 4 more to get to 10, to fill up our 10 frame. So we started with 6 red ones. How many more did we need to get to 10? We needed 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a little different than we usually do it, but it'll work. Okay, we haven't done this in a while, and this is also really familiar. You're going to need your voice to look like this. It says by tens or count by tens. It's tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, all the way to 100, and then 1 to 19. So that's the strip you need for this next activity. So we're going to count the days of school. So the last time we were at school, it was day 134. So what we have to do is add 134. So we need to add 1 on here. I'm going to do that. Here I go. Add 1. And let's count these. So you need to count starting with 1 over here. Just count right here, starting with 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh. That says 4. We need to make sure that says 5 because we added 1. Which one's number 5? That's the number we need, is number 5. This one is number 5. I'm sure you picked the right one. So I'm going to put this on here. So this is correct. We counted 5 and we have 5 ones. Now we need 3 tens. So help me count these. You're going to count starting with 1. Use the same spot on your voice. Start with 1 right here. We're just going to count out 3 and make sure that we have 3 tens. So here they are. Tens. So here we go. We're going to count starting with 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's correct. 3. And then we have 100. And here it is. We don't even need to count that, just 1. You can just point 1. There's 100. Okay. So what I want to know from you is, here's our 5. We're going to compare it. So you need to flip around to the very first strip right here where there's yes and no. And I'm going to ask a question that the answer is either yes or no. Take a look at this and tell me, is it time to swap? Is this all the way full up to here? Is it time to swap? What do you think? We're not guessing, we're using our noodle. Is it full all the way up? My answer is going to be no. No, it isn't time to swap yet, because this is not full all the way up to here. So we have the number of days we've been in school. We're going to put 100 in her head, 100 in your head. Bam, in my head. Here you go. Bam, you got 100 in your head. And we're going to count the days of school. Even though we're not really going to school, we're still doing some school stuff. So we're going to count that. And we're going to start here with 100. 100. So 100, 100, 110, 120, 130, and I don't have enough hands. 131, 132, 133, 134, and 135. So we've been in school for 135 days. Wow, it's a long time. We've had lots of school days, lots and lots of learning happening in those 135 days. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is dress Joey. So let's take another look at our weather right here. And since it's sunny and cloudy, at my house it's cold. So here's what I'm thinking for Joey. Stay there. Perfect. Here's Joey. Oh my gosh, he doesn't have any clothes on. He must be freezing. So it's cold out. It's really cold. The wind makes it really cold. So what do you think? What kind of shirt are you wearing today? I'm wearing long sleeves and I'm inside my house. So if I went outside, even though it's sunny, it would still feel pretty cold because it's windy and I don't want to be cold. So I have on a long sleeve shirt, but what do you think Joey should wear? You think he should wear the yellow tank top or the green shirt? You can point to one of those. I'm going to choose the green shirt just because I don't want to be cold. So there's Joey. He's got on his green shirt. And then what do you think? How about shorts or long pants? What are you wearing today? I have on long pants. But you might have on shorts. What do you think Joey should wear? I kind of think he should wear some long pants. So that's what I'm going to choose. But if you chose shorts, that's okay. I'm going to choose long pants for Joey. In case he goes outside and then he won't be too cold. Does he need an umbrella? Does he need an umbrella? And you can answer yes or no with your voice. Yes or no. Does he need an umbrella? Did we decide it was raining? We didn't say it was raining. So I'm thinking he probably does not need an umbrella. So we're not going to give Joey an umbrella. How about shoes? Well, since it's cold, we're going to look at these choices between hiking boots, can you see that, and rain boots. Okay, it rained. So where you live, like where I live, there might be puddles outside. Puddles are super fun to stomp through. If you stomp through a puddle with these shoes, your socks are going to get soaked and your feet are going to be really cold. So just in case Joey wants to stomp through a puddle, I'm going to put rain boots on him. So here we go. rain boots. And how about a hat? What about a hat? It's cold, and he could maybe tuck his ears up underneath this hat. Look at that, to try and keep those ears warm. And some of you, James especially, you live up where it snows. So when you go outside, you might want to wear a scarf. And you might want to wear gloves. So we're going to dress Joey like that because it's pretty cold here, so it's got to be really cold at James's house. So there. Joey's dressed for outside, cold outside weather. Well, thank you guys for helping me with this circle time. I really miss all of you. Anna, Sergio, Gio, James, Emmanuel, Grayson, Achilles, Naomi, and Weston, and Stetson, and Jose, and Mary, and all those siblings, the ones even that I don't know their names. Stay healthy, and we'll see you tomorrow.